I am HVAC Repair Guy, a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of heating and air conditioning experience. Today we are comparing the Coleman HC20 and the Tempstar Ion 18 T5H3V. These are two advanced central heating and cooling systems built for homeowners seeking premium climate control and long-term energy reduction. When you walk outside and look at these two outdoor heat pumps sitting on their concrete pads, you see two completely different strategies for protecting your investment. The Coleman unit features heavy-duty slotted panels stamped directly into the sheet metal cabinet walls. The Tempstar heat pump utilizes a traditional open-wire guard design with an inner plastic mesh wrap around its exterior side sections. These distinct outer casings determine how well your outdoor heat transfer components handle physical abuse. The stamped steel slotted panels on the Coleman cabinet prevent heavy hailstones, wind-blown branches, and flying stones from flattening the aluminum fins. The open-wire guard on the Tempstar system offers less impact resistance, meaning a strong hailstorm can dent the exposed outdoor coil and reduce your system airflow. Deep inside both of these premium cabinets, you will find high-tech variable speed inverter compressors that completely change how a household experiences indoor comfort. These advanced units do not slam on at maximum power with a loud clattering noise. Instead, the compressor and the outdoor fan motor ramp up slowly to exact operating speeds, eliminating harsh electrical inrush currents and providing whisper-quiet operation. The Coleman heat pump operates at a heating efficiency rating of 9.0 HSPF2. The Tempstar model delivers a higher heating efficiency rating of 10.5 HSPF2, which means it extracts environmental heat from cold winter air more effectively to keep your utility bills low. Looking at your investment options, the Coleman HC20 equipment averages $5,200 with a total average installed price of $13,800. The Tempstar Ion 18 T5H3V equipment averages $4,600 with a total average installed contractor price of $12,500, including a new communicating thermostat and minor electrical upgrades. The manufacturer warranty outlines exactly how much long-term protection your household budget receives. Coleman covers their unit with a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime compressor warranty while offering 0 years of full unit replacement if a major component fails. Tempstar provides a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a full 10-year no-hassle unit replacement pledge that gives you a completely new outdoor section if the compressor fails in the first decade. Both of these premium heat pumps are proudly manufactured right here in the United States. If I had to put my name on one of these installs, it would be the Tempstar Ion 18 T5H3V. You get a significantly higher winter heating efficiency rating, true variable speed compressor ramping, and a superior 10-year full unit replacement warranty safety net for over $1,000 less than the competition. That is how you shop like a pro.